Hey, this is Rama from Creation Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about site analysis. What is it? How designers do it? Why you should be doing it? But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, design, art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So this is a basic site plan for a project in Santa Ana, and you don't need to get this detailed with drawing the site plan, but I just wanted to show you how the site analysis process works and why I think that you should also do this as well for your own home if you're thinking of renovating your home. So let me explain this drawing to you. This is the property line. This is the gate to the side yard. These are the fences. This is the front door. These are windows and the walls. These here are utilities. These two are pilasters. So with this particular project, this is the existing hardscape that the homeowners wanted to keep. It's not broken, it's not cracked. They liked it, it was fine, it's just natural grade concrete. This is an existing plant that they're going to keep. This area is where the wife wants to be able to sit, but currently it's too small, so we're thinking of extending it. The husband wanted to get from this area, because this is the garage, and to get from either this garage or the front door to this side yard. They don't want to keep the existing artificial turf that was there when they bought the property. So this is one way of documenting what it is that you want with the space, and this is also for you to understand how it is that you want to use the space. You might make bubbles about how you might want to entertain in this area or something if this was your backyard and whatnot. So this is one alternative. Now this is a second site analysis, and this one is just as equally important as the one I showed you previously. In this case, I've noted that this area is mostly shade, so if I do put any potted plants or any sort of plants here, it's not going to get a lot of sun. This area is sunny. These two are existing utilities that I have to work around. Here there's a gutter, and there's a gutter here that has created a drainage issue, because now in my design I need to figure out where's the gutter going to be directed towards. And this is simple and basic. Now for the sake of this video, I added the orange background. You don't have to, but this is the second site analysis that you need to do. And you can also write down what soil conditions you have. Now because this area for this particular project is artificial turf, that means that there's already a layer, few inches layer of soil that has already been removed that needs to be added back. This is another way of doing site analysis using just numbers and blobs, if you will. So for example, you can see here, number 1, it's mostly shade. Number 2, not enough seating. Number 3, gutter drainage issues. Number 4, existing plans to remain. Number 5, existing utilities to be worked around. Number 6, which is here, is need path to the side gate. Number 7, this area is full sun. Number 8 is that this area is artificial turf that needs to be removed. And number 9 here is that this existing hardscape is going to stay in place. It really doesn't matter how you write it down or jot it down. It's a matter of just doing it so you can understand what you've got. And most designers will also do this just so they can understand what they're working with, so they can understand which areas are going to get a lot of shade, because then that tells them what plant material they can and cannot plant in those areas, etc. Now this is another alternate way of doing site analysis where you can literally just draw on the image. I'm going to zoom in here, and you can see it says drainage issues, path to side yard, full sun, remove faux turf, drainage issue, existing utility. Then I've got here where it says keep, as in we're keeping this, we're keeping the plant, existing utility. Here it says existing seating area, keep the hardscape. It literally does not matter how exactly you do it. It's just a matter of understanding the site and what the conditions of the site are. And this is also a way for you to roughly draw out how it is that you want to be able to use the space. And sometimes designers, before actually creating concept drawings, might print out the site plan and actually draw on there, or even on the images, just kind of roughly make sketches. But this makes doing site analysis really beneficial because then you can get a greater understanding of your site.